now we have one category of questions in which we solve the given vector equation to find the required vector. Like we have here this vector equation r cross b is equal to a cross b. Along with this, it is given that r dot c is equal to 0 and b dot c is not equal to 0. Then we have to find vector r. We have to solve this equation for vector r. Okay, that means we will find vector r in terms of vectors a, b and c. कैसे solve करेंगे? Equation is r cross b is equal to a cross b. Also r dot c is equal to 0. ये भी given है. How can we use here vector triple product? Vector triple product कैसे use करेंगे? Value of r dot c is equal to 0. Okay, so what do? We take cross product with vector c. The reason is we want to use r dot c is equal to 0. अगर हम c के साथ cross लेंगे, then we will have a term containing r dot c. हम उसका value use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so taking cross with c, we get r cross b cross c is equal to a cross b cross c. Okay, this is r dot c. Okay, r dot c times b minus b dot c times vector r. This is equal to a cross b cross c. Okay, now r dot c is 0. Okay, so we get vector r is equal to, divide both sides by minus b dot c, we get vector r is equal to plus c cross a cross b over b dot c. Okay, so we have vector r in terms of vectors a, b and c. हमने इस वेक्टर इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया, ठीक है, जिसमें हमने इसको भी यूज किया. सॉल्व करके हमने वेक्टर r निकाला. Okay, we can do this way also, like we transfer this term on LHS. We have then r cross b minus a cross b is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be r minus a cross b is equal to 0. Okay, now what is the inference? R minus a cross b is equal to 0. That means these two vectors will be parallel. Vector r minus a will be parallel to vector b, and we can write this finding in the form of equation as, इसको equation के form में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We can write like this: r minus a is equal to lambda b. Okay, so we have vector r is equal to a plus lambda b, but here we need to find the value of lambda. हमें lambda की value निकालनी पड़ेगी. कैसे निकालेंगे lambda का value? It is given that r dot c is equal to 0. इसको यूज करना है. कैसे यूज करेंगे? We take dot product with vector c. c के साथ dot product लेंगे. Okay, so we get r dot c is equal to a dot c plus lambda times b dot c, where r dot c is 0, we get lambda is equal to minus a dot c over b dot c. Okay, then we put this value of lambda here, we get vector r is equal to, a minus a dot c over b dot c times vector b. Now this is same as this. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ये मिलेगा. क्या होगा इसका expanded form? This will be b dot c times vector a minus a dot c times vector b over b dot c. Okay, over b dot c. So we get a minus a dot c over b dot c times vector b. ठीक है, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, let's take one more question from this category. Okay, now we have to solve this vector equation for vector r. Equation is r cross a is equal to k times vector r is equal to vector b. where A and B are two given vectors and K is scalar. इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है वेक्टर आर के लिए. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू गेट वेक्टर आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेक्टर्स ए बी एंड स्केलर के. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इक्वेशन को? हाउ कैन वी यूज वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट? लुक एट द टर्म्स. वी हैव हियर आर क्रॉस ए टर्म कंटेनिंग वेक्टर आर. तो किसके साथ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लेंगे? We want to use vector triple product, so we will take cross product with some vector. What should be that vector? With which vector we should take cross product? किसके साथ लेंगे? Since r cross a is there, we take cross product with vector a. Okay, so we will have r cross a plus k times r cross a is equal to b cross a. Okay. The reason for taking cross product with a is that now we can put the value of r cross a. R cross a is b minus k times r. Okay. So equation will be, we will have r dot a times a minus a dot a, which is square of modulus of a, this into vector r, plus k multiplied by r cross a is b minus k times vector r. Okay, this is equal to b cross a. Okay, now here we have a term containing r dot a. That means we have to get the value of r dot a. We want vector r in the form of vectors a, b and scalar k only. So now we have to get the value of r dot a. कैसे आएगा r dot a का value? Definitely we will take dot product with vector r. अगर हमें r dot a का value चाहिए तो हम a के साथ dot product लेंगे. क्या बनेगा? R cross a dot a is 0. Let me write here. We will have r cross a dot a plus k times r dot a is equal to a dot b. This will be 0. This is scalar triple product in which two vectors are same. So this will be 0. Okay. So from this we get value of r dot a as a dot b over k. Okay, for this value of r dot a here we get a dot b over k multiplied by vector a. Okay, plus k multiplied by vector b. Okay, we transfer this term on LHS. We will have minus b cross a or plus a cross b, and we transfer terms containing r on RHS. Okay, we will have inside bracket square of modulus of a, okay, plus k square. So we have this into vector r. Okay, so we get vector r is equal to this over k square plus square of modulus of a. We got the vector r in the form of vectors a, b and scalar k. Okay, तो क्या किया हमने? हमने a के साथ क्रॉस लिया. Reason, the reason is we will be able to use r cross a, which is b minus kr. Okay, then here we have term containing r dot a. So we got the value of r dot a by taking dot product with a के साथ डॉट लिया तो हमें r dot a का वैल्यू मिल गया. वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ r dot a इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेक्टर a, b एंड स्केलर के. इस वैल्यू को यहाँ पे पुट किया हमने, वेक्टर r के लिए इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर लिया. ठीक है, एक और क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं इस कैटेगरी से.